Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Salesloft, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the Salesloft website by entering the URL in your browser. Look for the sign up button on the home page and click on it. You will be directed to the registration page. Fill in your email address in the required field. Create a strong password that meets the stipulated requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. If applicable, select your company size from the drop-down menu. Provide additional information, such as your job title and industry. Once all required fields are filled, review the terms of service. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Click the Create Account button to proceed. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after. Open the confirmation email from Salesloft. Click the link within the email to verify your account. This action will redirect you back to the Salesloft platform. You may now be prompted to complete your profile setup. Fill in any additional details requested for your profile. Once completed, click Save or Continue as directed. You are now successfully registered with Salesloft. Navigate through the platform to familiarize yourself with its features. Feel free to explore settings and customize your user experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.